Well, I'm Chris, and this is my SU flat top carburetor intake unboxing video. So I have a 78 280Z, and I'm going to try to get the fuel injection running, but as a backup plan, I needed to get the carburetor set up. So here's the ad and how much I paid for it. After shipping and taxes, it was $285. If you have one of these early fuel injected cars, at some point, it's going to cross your mind to put a carburetor setup on it. So it came in 2 boxes. This is the air cleaner, and I'm just documenting all this to show you the way I would go about it. So the ad said this was all taken off a running car, and this is how I like to get my stuff. Exactly like this. I hate when people clean it up and screw with it. This is beautiful in my opinion. Let's take a look at this for the first time. Man. I mean, this look right here is so cool. So this stuff is a lot heavier when you hold it in real life. I have no idea how it goes on there exactly, but air cleaner is a win. So here's the box the intake came in. That's actually kind of heavy. That better not be one carburetor. So I forgot the ad said these were off of a running car, so we're not going to take them apart. I don't even know what direction this goes in, up or down, but this looks like it came off of a really, really nice car. This is in very, very good condition. I don't know anything about these carburetors. And I really love how all this stuff is here, like it just came straight off the car. It's got this little weird delicate line. No, that was already damaged like that. Cool. All right, the intake. There's a lot more to this setup than I thought. I mean, just look at that stuff. I mean, this really looks like it was on a really nice car. You got the linkages, all this, very important to have. Is this a water line? I know everybody hates these because they say it has a whole bunch of emissions crap on there. I don't care, because worst case scenario, I could put a bottle like this with a little drip in it and get this car running. I can't do that with the fuel injected stuff if I can. We are going to try to get the fuel injected stuff running and figured out. I'd rather have fuel injection on it than this, but I'm buying this just in case. You see, it all looks to be in very, very good used shape. Once again, $280 for all of this. The intake is perfect. And you can see this intake has the tube that connects both sides. But you could totally delete that if you didn't want that and just run the carbs without it. It's mainly what I bought it for, is to have these pieces right here to run whatever carburetors I want. So this is very complicated looking, and I really don't have any clue what is going on right now on this table. You got to be super careful when you're buying carburetors. There's actually a bunch of round tops and flat tops like this. And every single ad that I've seen for round tops were missing parts on your carburetor. So I know all about carburetors. I've been building them for 20 years, but I have never even seen one of these. And I have no idea how it works. So I'm just giving you guys and girls an idea. If you have a fuel injected one and you want to go to carburetor, what you might end up needing to buy. Try to get as complete, try to get as most of it as you can, and you may end up having to get the carburetors that nobody wants, the flat tops. And you see, I bought them. I don't care. As long as I can get this car idling and moving on its own power, I'm fine. We can always upgrade the carburetors later. You don't have to start with the top of the line stuff unless you're going to daily your car. Then yes, go spend the money on it. But you see what happened right here, $280 for all that. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.